Good morning. My name is Luis Guillermo Angel. I am 35 years old. I am a student agroforestry engineering. I live in the city of Bogota, in Tintal. I am police officer. I work in the city of Bogota. I like to sport. I was in the San Andres Island, began in the years 2020. In the morning, I was looking the sea while having breakfast at the hotel. The crystal clear water of the sea allowed us the enjoying the diversity of marine life. Practicing snorkeling, I knew different places, such in the cave of the Pirata Morgan, that keeps stories about in their treasuries. Rocky Cay, where we managed to welcome the island San Andres to the slot across the sea. The Island House Museum, where we got the know part of the history and culture of the island, and in the we tried to learn some dance, step from traditional music. This was a lot of fun, but my favorite was the West View Island, and kind of natural pool next to the rocks, white calm water for snorkeling with a max and jumping into the seafront place very tight. The water was great. During the day was very sunny, and at night was fresh. I loved the trip to San Andres, and I will to repeat it. Thank you.